Hi everyone. I drew this a long time ago, probably last year. So we are going to work on it. I saw something like it on a piece of fabric that I was sewing. And so we are going to work on it and see what we can do with it. I don't even know, it's just a fake little bird. It ain't real. I mean, it ain't a real type that I'm aware of. It was just something that I had seen. And I sketched it out. Hi everyone. I got the VC box for my husband and he ended up loving it. Honestly, we both did. We like it so much that I actually became an affiliate. If you already have internet, the VC box makes it easy to watch tons of live channels, movies, shows, and sports without monthly cable bills. It's simple to set up, streams in HD, and has been a great way for us to cut our TV costs. If you want to check it out, my link is below. Well, I'm going to let it dry a little bit, and I'll come back and finish. I mean, it's done. I just need it to dry. And just in case I don't get back to it, y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end. Hype the video if you can. And my affiliate link is in the description, and also my children's books and my t-shirts. So if you get a chance, check them out. And there's a variety of things you can buy on the t-shirt sites. It's not just t-shirts. There's cups and blankets and different things. So yeah, if you get a chance, check it out, and I'd really appreciate it if you'd hype the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.